Dad Jojo Encarnacion.
Hello!
So what is our featured recipe for today, Dad?
Today we will cook a famous local dish, tinapa fried rice, and we will put on the side the itlog na pula with kamatis plus pritong talong.
So before we start, of course, we need to wash our hands and wear our aprons afterwards. So for our ingredients, we have 4 cups of steamed rice, Tinapa Flakes, egg, minced garlic, spring onion, salt and pepper to taste, soy sauce, cooking oil, and for garnish, we have, of course, salted egg, red tomatoes, and eggplant. So now we can start. First, we put the cooking oil in the pan. Sinangag, also called garlic fried rice or garlic rice, is a Filipino fried rice dish cooked by stir-frying pre-cooked rice with garlic. Tinapa fried rice is one of the varieties of sinangag.
Okay, you can now put the eggplant. Fry the eggplant.
Sinangag is a common part of a traditional Filipino breakfast, and it is usually prepared with leftover rice from the dinner before. There has been many varieties derived from cooking sinangag, and one of them is tinapa fried rice. Okay, so now luto na ang ating talong and we will set it aside. We'll now cook our tinapa fried rice. First, we'll put the garlic and cook until it's golden brown.
The crunchier, the tastier. So yan, Lucas, dapat golden brown. Para yung taste at yung texture niya is perfect for the sinangag.
Bango, Dad. Garlic pa lang, mabango na.
You know that garlic has also antibiotic properties, kaya napaka-healthy nitong gagawin natin. Kaya dinamihan ko yung garlic.
Next, we add the spring onions.
Okay. After that, Lucas, you now put the tinapa flakes. Okay, use this.
Tinapa, a Filipino term, is fish cooked or preserved through the process of smoking. Tapa in Philippine languages originally meant fish or meat preserved by smoking.
So you add a pinch of pepper. And herbs. Okay. Salt. I think you need to add more. Mix.
Next, we put the egg.
Okay, go.
And lastly, we will add the rice.
Okay. Pour it in. Meron ka nakalimutan. We still have the soy sauce for taste. So you can now put it in. So we can mix it together. Okay. So, di ba anak? So budget friendly, easy to cook, and healthy. Lucas, pag bumalik tayo sa face-to-face, this is one good baon kasi it's all in one na. All you need is to pack it in your lunch bag, then presto, you will eat na during your break time.
Yes, Dad, ang bango. So while waiting for our fried rice to cook, we will first clean up.
Okay, Lucas, while waiting for it to cook, mag-exercise muna tayo. Quick exercise lang ha. Okay. Tinapang Gigi! Tinapang Gigi! Napakasarap ng tinapang Gigi!
Lagyan mo ng itlog, lagyan mo ng itlog, siguradong ika'y bibilog.
Okay, Lucas, luto na to. Let's go. Hanguin ko na.
So ito na ang ating tinapa fried rice na swak sa budget at best served with tomatoes, fried eggplant, at salted egg. Our tinapa fried rice with salted egg, tomato, and fried eggplant. Bon appetit! In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Bless us, O Lord, with these thy gifts, which we are about to receive from thy bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Ready, stay,
How about you, Moni?
It is important to stay healthy, especially during these times. Let's ensure that we eat nutritious food to boost our immune system.
The total cost of our recipe, which can make 4 to 6 servings, is 181 pesos. Tinapa fried rice perfectly represents Go, Glow, and Grow foods. During this pandemic, it is important to ensure our wellness by taking enough sleep, maintaining good and regular hygiene, doing some exercise to keep us moving. And also drinking milk to keep our body strong. Let us eat healthy to be merry.